Hi! If you want to customize volume panels into your ZTE Blade V8 Lite, first step, go into Play Market and find volume style application. This one, need install. And then open this application and now into application need choose your volume styles, for example like iOS. So click it and on the top we got start button. Press it and then need give permissions for this application. So click accessibility and then one more time in settings. So choose your volume style application, turn on, press OK, and now we got a new volume style, like iOS. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.